Hi, Kyle. Hey,
Hello.
where are you?
I don't know. It doesn't look like Saul.
Discover
It's very
Sal.
green. It's very green.
Yes, it's Sal. It's true. Sal no have green this kind. This discover Sal in
America.
in America. Now we say bye Sal for little time.
Yeah, about 3 weeks.
2 weeks, yes. We here and we go tell you how it's our trip. What do you think?
Yeah, good. We're going to show you guys our first day. This is how we flew from Saul to Providence. We took a Cape Verde Airlines flight direct to Providence, and this is our first day.
It's a comfortable and nice trip. Let's go show you how happened this moment. I'm coming.
Ready for 7 hours flight?
5 minutes. It's my first time I took one long trip.
It's the 5 minutes.
I go to this.
7 hours is okay. It's 7 hours and 5 minutes.
I don't know if I'm preparing. I go home. Because it's a long time. Long time. my first contact with America. It's so relaxed time. We go to the border and the people there, it's so nice people, and you see our baggage, and we ate for a few minutes, and it's interesting because I don't feel I'm in America because all the people in the plane is Cambodian people who come back to America, and I feel all the time I'm in America. And when we go out the airport, we take a taxi, take a Uber, and now I'm feel I'm different place naturally. I'm in different place, but it's so different for me. It's something different for me. I feel some expectative how like is this country, and we go to Providence. We feel some difference.
When we first got there, it was raining, so we don't have too much footage of when we first got there. And we couldn't check into the Airbnb right away, so we had to find some lunch. So we found a place near the Airbnb that did burgers. So you had your first meal was burgers. How'd you like them?
First, it's burgers. It's true. No, it's so nice, and it's all the time you have fries, potatoes, no?
Yeah.
I like my first eat here.
Yeah.
It's
it wasn't
totally
fast
different.
food. It was a local restaurant. It wasn't a chain restaurant. It was a local burger place that won some awards. And they gave you little smash burgers. They were really good.
Yeah.
And you had your milkshake.
It's
with Baileys and Fruity Pebbles on top.
I don't feel it had Baileys.
It had Baileys. It had Baileys in it.
But it's not alcohol.
No, it wasn't strong. We did have Baileys.
Not.
Yeah.
It's so nice. It's sweet.
The street that the Airbnb was on, it was it was like an old-fashioned main street. A lot of local shops, a lot of local restaurants. There was no fast food at all. There was no chains. There was no. We were looking for McDonald's. We couldn't find one. It was all local. It was nice, and everything was really.
It's nice place.
Really nicely done. It wasn't dirty. It was clean. And sorry we don't have much footage of that because we only just landed, long flight, so we didn't film much. But yeah, no, it was good. Providence was nice. So after we checked in to our Airbnb, you didn't want to discover anything different. Where did we go to dinner?
And place is called Rosie's Kitchen.
Rosie's Kitchen.
Rosie's Kitchen, yes.
It's a Cape Verdean restaurant in Pawtucket, which is just next to Providence. And it's been open, what did they say, 20 years? 15 years? It's been open for a long time.
No, a long time.
Yeah, it was a local restaurant and they had Catupa. So we thought, let's see what Catupa tastes like.
Cambodian family. It's Brava. The girl said it's a Brava. She born here, but the fathers and mom it's a Brava. It's so nice person. Yeah, talk all the time Creole. all the time Creole, and I don't feel.
Yeah, she didn't want to be
again,
on camera.
I'm in different place because.
Yeah, everyone in the restaurant spoke Creole.
Yeah.
So here you go. Here's the video. Here's the section. We do have that footage. So here's us trying Catupa in America. So where are you?
I'm in Rosa's kitchen in Providence.
You're in Pawtucket now.
What's the name?
You're right next to Pawtucket.
Ah, wow! It's not my head. I drink a tea.
Yeah.
And we come here for eat Catchupa.
Came all the way to America. Catupa,
Yeah, because it's a covered in space. Linguiça, ovo estrelado. I lost something. Forgot something. Remember me.
I don't know. We'll see.
I think it's Catchupa, ovo, and linguiça. It's, now I need to know this linguiça is made here or linguiça Cabo Verde. Maybe it's possible. It's a nice place. What kind of Catchupa we have? They have in this case.
Yeah. So what's different?
Batata e pão.
Yeah.
It's my first time I see Catchupa com batata frita and pão.
Yeah, there's a lot of carbs on. You got bread, corn. They look good though, the fries. Very good fries. Yeah.
In your opinion, now?
Yeah, it's chips, eggs. The sausage is similar.
Yeah.
It's so easy, yeah.
Of course it's similar, agora. It's not the salchies, traditional salchies you have in Santiago, like Santiago.
No, but everything else looks similar. Yeah, weird having bread. This is half an order as well. This is half a portion. Good thing we didn't get the full one. Alright, let's see.
I think
Pretty close.
yeah.
Yeah. It's the same corn. They cooked it in fish to get a little fish taste. Yeah. No, it's very similar. Uh-huh. I think so.
Quase similar now.
It's similar. It's close.
Tem alguma coisa diferente now.
Yeah.
Something different. Maybe they have some products to change the color. But it's similar.
Yeah, it's close.
Yeah. Então não consegui chegar ali. Agora não tinha uma coisa diferente do Catchupa. Já tem batata crocante, que nunca não vou na de Catchupa. Já tem pão. E o Catchupa, embora ele é semelhante, tem cada um tem gostinho diferente do que produto de outro. Vou poder contar as maneiras do Catchupa.
Que algo é segredo, que pode ser muito.
Reflete, o que é que vou querer falar?
Tu põe
Eu vou dizer em inglês ou crioulo, cara?
Ok.
Ok. É crioulo. Diz em crioulo para
Tu põe como que tu falou?
Put farinha
Panela.
também. You can do it in English.
Não, não queria saber só aquele produto que eu vou pôr diferente.
Diferente
Ah,
é
o que
batata
eu vou
frita
diferenciar?
com pão branco.
Por quê?
Porque é pão não só na América. Mas no America, States. Prazer, não tem que
Outra perguntinha. Tem uma coisa que eu estou a trazer que está a ver ou tudo produto?
Não, tudo produto é direito.
Thank you.
Obrigado, Jason. Ok?
Thanks, man.
A gente foi no Estado da América, que foi fixe. A praia produto de Catchupa de Cabo Verde, mas com toque Mercon. Lá que fiz, né? Era gostar. Adorei.
They had punch from Bravo, which I never had, and it's almost like a coffee flavor to it. It's really good.
Dá. Não, vou falar não.
I'll give it to you. It's almost like a coffee taste.
Is that what coffee taste?
Maybe, or maybe just the burnt honey. Taste it.
Wow. Não tinha gosto de café que era.
Yeah. The coffee taste, doesn't it?
ما بونش ملي لومبام ما تنشر سب.
Yeah.
Ai care de mceu no estômago também. Moda, normalmente aquele pão de mel tá queimando no estômago. Aquele, mas mesmo assim, ele é só pra boca. Toma. Aquele, levar Catupa pra casa, dar café. Puto camelo tudo. Mano, uma Catupa muito boa, diferente. Catupa simples. Por exemplo, Catupa simples. Não tem Catupa rica e não tem Catupa mais simples. Catupa simples, precisa de pôr, às vezes pôr atum. E mais interessante é que dá aquele gosto do lugar onde é que estou a viver. Eu cheguei ali num ambiente muito bem tranquilo, com música Verdean de fundo. Eu tinha gente falar tudo crioulo. Só os falar inglês, mas gente por causa de Kyle. E ainda é uma coisa interessante que esse ponte, sim, ele é um ponte adorável, mas sem cheiro e sem gosto, é moda licor de café, é muito interessante. Então, foi uma experiência cool. Saí de Caveira e encontrei um lugar que também está trazendo um bocadinho nas raízes. As dizer, deixa eu comer ali, local, cabrito, coelho, também grelhados e outras coisinhas mais que tipo de carro, torresmo, só de Cabo Verde. Muito bom.
Classic. Do you like the room?
Yeah, it's good. This bed is so nice. I like it. So small, but comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the Airbnb which we rented. It was central on a nice little road near a bunch of bars and restaurants. So it's just a room. There's a shared bathroom with three other rooms, a shared kitchen.
Yeah.
But it was only $80 for the night, and we just needed a place to sleep for one night. And it was as close to the train station, which is where we're heading next, and it's close to. It was near a bunch of bars and restaurants we went to yesterday, so it was good.
That's good, yeah. My favorite thing, my Catupa, different Catupa, and my small lunch, small burgers.
Yeah.
So delicious.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. It's just perfect, guys. I tell the truth. It's so nice.
Yeah.
Good experience for me.
Now we take a train. We go to New York City.
Yeah, we go a feet.
We walk to the train station.
Walk to the train, and we go to see New York City. Yes. Guys, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good first day. Wasn't too American. You had burgers and you had Catupa. The next day it's going to be a bit more different.
You see, we mix this.
Yeah.
A burger and
We have burgers and Catupa on the first day in America. Yeah.
Kyle and Betty.
Yeah. So make sure you subscribe. If you want to support us, become a member on Patreon or on YouTube, and you will get extra long videos and videos that are going to be made just for members as well for our trips. So if you want to see everything we did, support us on Patreon or on YouTube by becoming a member.
Yes, and remember, we need your comment too if you like our video.
Yeah, comment below. Do you guys like this idea? Is it okay? Should we just stick and saw?
Yeah.
Let us know. Honestly, either or. It's fine.
Help us
help
grow
us
up.
decide what. Yeah, help us decide what we're gonna do.
Yes.
So the next video is our trip to New York. So stay tuned.
Wow. Ooh, New York. Yes.